month going that way. How much water have we displaced? Well, we asked the question. Again, to put things into perspective, because we like doing that. That number, will it ring any bells? That number is the amount of water that was displaced the Boxing Day tsunami. "30 cubic kilometers. 30 cubic kilometers of water was displaced over 24 hours, 48 hours when that monster quake hit. That's 30 trillion litres in 24, 48 hours. Whoosh! Between 1993 and 2010, it is kind of been worked out that 2 trillion litres of water has been pumped and displaced. 2 trillion litres of water, okay? Over 17 years. 30 trillion litres of water over a couple of days. It's just gone whoosh. Were we like this? Things need to be put into perspective. Alright? Is it science? Is it science? The person who came up with that magical formula with all the sins and strange lines on top of numbers, he said, and I quote, "Glad to find the unexplained cause of the rotation pole drift." What rotation pole drift? You mean the 80 centimetres that's pushing against the 80 centimetres every 17 years that's pushing against the 1.1 metre per year of natural axis tilt? On the other hand, as a resident of Earth and a father, concerned and surprised that pumping groundwater is another source of sea level rise. Not as surprised as us. Not as surprised as us. So, there you have it in a kind of nutshell. Okay? The planet's natural tilt caused by the Milankovitch cycle, 1.1 meters per month that way. 80 centimeters over 17 years. We've worked it all the way down per year. Divide the 80 centimeters by 17 years. You get 4.7 centimeters per year. Now, let's go down to the month, yeah? 4.7 divided by 12. Obviously, it won't go in, so we're going to get a below one number. 0.39 centimetre. That's 39 millimetres per month. 39 millimetres a month. Really? From there to there. Did you see that? I'll tell you what, let's call it 4. We'll call it 4 millimetres, yeah? God, that's 5. Let's call it 5. That is the amount of axis tilt, right? That there. That's happening every month due to the amount of water that you guys have pumped and displaced recklessly between the years of 1993 and 2010. And don't forget, This is 2010, we're in 2023. We've got 13 years of catch up to come. That is the amount of water displaced, taking this planet that way, right? But on the other hand, lucky for us, we've got $30, $60, $90, 1 meter, 1 meter 10. All right. So, there we have it. They worked out that we're going that way by that distance, right, because of the amount of water pumped in this place. But the natural cycle of the planet, called the Milankovitch cycle, which is to do with gravity, which is pretty powerful, is going that way every month by that distance. So, science or an absurdity? You choose. You choose. We're not here to diss anything. Diss it? One doesn't just diss Tiltus Axis Maximus. No, sir. Must be a thing.